Hey guys, how you doing? I just wanted to come to you from outside for once. It's nice and warm out here in Austin, Texas, as we're at Mega Camp for Leadership. And the question has come up, how do I make a QR code? So a QR code is a shortcut that people use with their phones to look up something online or an email or a photo or something like that. And so if you have, I've got my website up here from Keller Williams, Anthony Carr, DMV.com, KW.com. And is really easy. This is in Chrome. So your browser may have different functions, but right here in the upper right-hand corner, you see this share button. Let me put my face out of the way. There you go. Create QR code. So it's creating a QR code of my my website. Nice little dinosaur there and everything. I'm going to download that. Now I download my QR code um, visuals into a folder called QR codes, and then I name them later after I get them downloaded to a specific file name that I'll remember. Like this would be um, search for homes QR code. And so you download that, and then I'm going to show you another one real quick that this is Firefox, which is this is the browser that I use. Firefox requires you to download an extension. So all of these icons here are different extensions I have in this browser. So you would come down here, manage extensions, search for one that you want. So search, I'm going to say um, QR code. I could do that. It adds a button to the address bar to set the current URL. I haven't done that one, but what I do have is I have what is called a URL shortener. I'm going to go with what I got because I don't want to toss something at you that you may not be able to do. And so, or I can't demonstrate. So this is URL shortener up here in my upper right hand corner. From there, you can see that I have it. So I am going to go to my website again. This is my website, and I'm going to click the URL shortener. It shortens the length of the web. So anthonycarrdmv.kw.com is now t.ly/0TEU. And then from here, I can just click this to create my QR code. Right click it. I'm going to save it. Save. There it is. Save image. And then I'm going to, save that to whatever it is that I want to save that to. Again, putting them all into a QR code folder will keep you able to keep track of what you've got there. All right, so now you've got a QR code. Now, what are you going to use it for? So let me show you a really simple way of using it in PowerPoint to create flyers and things such as that so that you can have them at open houses or pull them into different sorts of marketing. So here's a typical one that I use. This is a QR code for my registration. I'm going to have my phone here now. And usually you launch your camera on your phones and it's going to bang. This is my hands-free registration. And this is my form that I have on my phone, not on my phone, but then when they read that, this is what they go to is my hands-free registration, which then uploads into my Google. Now that's a whole different story in and of itself, I know. But another thing you can do is here I have another sheet. Take these pictures with you. And so what do I take them? I click that, and this is going to the listing on the KW website. So I'm sending them to the link from my website, anthonycarrdmv.com. And this is the link because when I go to this property, it's going to have its own unique link. So I send them to that. There's the QR code for that. But sometimes I have something outside of KW that I want them to know. People may come into a house and they say, wow, this needs flooring, it needs carpet, it needs, whatever I want to put with it. And so this goes to a calculator, again, going to the QR code that I created off of this URL using one of those links in the browser. And this is a floor calculator. So it's on their phone. People are used to it. They know how to use it. And so I wanted to demonstrate to you how you can create these codes, name them the way that you can access them later, and then put them in documents so that people can use that as they're interacting. Got any questions on that? Let me know. I would love to help you out. Take care.